Hey, what's up you guys? Putting a trailer hitch on your Subaru Impreza can take you to some really cool places, like biking, camping, or even towing a small U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down that install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. We're going to start by prepping the underbody of our vehicle for our hitch. We're going to start by removing these two plugs from the bottom of our frame rail. It's just going to be the two on the end, not the one in the middle, and we'll be using a flathead screwdriver to remove those. And we'll repeat on the driver's side. Next, on both sides, we're going to enlarge the forwardmost hole to allow our hardware to go into place. As you can see, it's just a little bit too small where you can't get our spacer and bolt in. So we're going to use a step bit to just slightly enlarge it to allow our hardware to go through. So after we've drilled a little bit, we'll just check to make sure our hardware fits, and if it needs a little bit more, we'll just drill it out a little bit more. And we'll repeat on the driver's side. Now, starting on the passenger side, we're ready to bring our hardware into place. Now, each attachment point has a different size bolt. Our most rear attachment point uses a smaller bolt and spacer block, and the hole we just drilled, our most front attachment point, has a larger bolt and spacer block. Now, to bring them into place, we're going to be using our fish wires. Now, they come in two different sizes for our two different bolts, so let's make sure that we'll use the right size as we bring them into place. Now, we're going to start with our smallest fish wire, and we're going to bring it through our most rear attachment hole, and we're going to push it out through our access hole in the rear. Now we're going to take our small bolt and spacer block, and we're going to attach it to our coiled end of the fish wire. Then we're going to push our spacer block into our frame, followed by our bolt. And then we'll pull it into place. Now for our larger bolt, we're going to use a reverse fish wire technique. We're going to attach our coiled end of our fish wire first, and then we're going to take our bolt and push it into the frame, followed by our spacer block. And then we'll just pull it back down. Now we're gonna leave our fish wires on, and then we'll repeat on the driver's side. Now we're ready to bring our hitch into place. We're gonna be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we do recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as this hitch can be a little heavy. Now before we raise our hitch all the way, we're gonna bring our fish wires through our holes on our hitch. On our rear hole, we're just gonna pull it through. Now for our most forward hole, we also have a spacer block that's going to be sandwiched in between our hitch and our frame. So we're going to run that fish wire through the spacer block, and then we'll run the fish wire through the most forward hole on our hitch. And we'll do that on both sides. And then we'll bring it up all the way over our exhaust. With our hitch in place, we're going to remove our fish wires, and we're going to install our provided flange nuts. With our hardware in place, we're ready to tighten and torque all of our bolts to the manufacturer's specification. We're going to be using a 5-inch extension, and it helps to use a swivel socket, as there's some bolts that have some weird angles to get to them. For our small bolts, we're going to use a 17mm socket. And for our larger bolts, we're going to use a 19mm socket. And we'll repeat on the driver's side. With our hitch installed, we went ahead and pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is an 1.25" receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 3.5 inches. And from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 11.5 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories, such as a bike rack and a cargo carrier. All right guys, that wraps up our install and our video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.